We're Daniel and Diana, a couple from Toronto, Canada who met while studying abroad in Ireland and fell in love while traveling together. For the past 7 years, we've traveled to 15 countries. We've always had a passion for traveling, but the pandemic made us realize just how truly rewarding travel experiences are. So we've started this channel to share our adventures to inspire you to discover the world. Follow us on the road and join in on new adventures. In our last video, we shared things to do in Niagara region, a popular spot for both tourists and locals. In this video, we'll share a really unique Airbnb stay in Ontario. Hey guys, welcome to another video. For the next 2 days, we have a little getaway outside of Toronto. We're in Clarington, Ontario. It's about 1 hour east of downtown Toronto, and we've rented a really cute Airbnb. It's a Victorian style cottage, and the property is absolutely amazing. It's like walking into a fairy tale. It's so beautiful and I'm so excited. Check it out. We're gonna show you guys around. Alright guys, let's check out where we're sleeping the next 2 days. This property is so beautiful. It is so quiet. All you can hear are the birds. It is so private. This entire area is to ourselves. It's so beautiful. And this room, guys, check it out. How cute is this? This Victorian style cottage is so cute. Check out all these details. I mean, the stained glass windows. Look at these drapes. The wood is so beautiful. And I mean, check out this bed. How cute is this? I am so excited and so impressed with the detail in this cute little tiny house. And I mean, best of all, I'm so excited for tomorrow morning. Look at what our view is going to be.
Alright guys, let me show you my favorite spot in this entire property. The space actually comes with a Finnish cookhouse. Very owners will cook a nice steak dinner over an open fire for us tomorrow. Today we're probably just gonna make a bonfire, roast some marshmallows, have a glass of wine, a nice chat. But guys, check this out. Isn't that amazing?
All set?
All set. Alright guys, we just got back from an amazing breakfast. And now we're heading to Orono Crown Lands, which is about a 10-15 minute drive away. Gonna take a little hike there, probably grab some lunch somewhere nearby. There's a few little towns there, and yeah, have a relaxing day. Probably spend the afternoon here at the property again, play some games, drink some coffee. All right.
Afternoon now, and we're back. We had our little hike at Orono Crown Lands, which is really nice, and we had lunch at Newcastle, super cute little town nearby, and we're back for the afternoon now to enjoy some hangout time here at the cottage. It's so pretty. Daniel's walking around taking some pictures. I'm thinking of maybe doing some yoga, playing some games. It's a little cloudy now. Hopefully it doesn't rain. But the property's so nice, we just want to spend some time here, so we're super excited. I'm just kind of on the lookout for my yoga spot. I was thinking potentially over here. This might be a cool spot. Right here, it's a little bit kind of downhill, Over there is a pond. I think Daniel's somewhere nearby there taking some photos, trying to spot some turtles. Apparently there's some turtles in that pond over there. Oh, I think I see Daniel right there. Do you see him? Yep. This place is just so beautiful. I think I'm gonna also walk around and see where the best yoga spot is. Look at that cute little carriage over there. That's where the Finnish cookhouse was, where we had a fire last night. We're gonna have our dinner. We're super excited. We picked up some really good wine for tonight. And yeah, I'm really excited for this dinner. I think it's gonna be really good. All right, I'm gonna go find my yoga spot and have some hangout time. Oh, hello there. Are you ready for dinner? Come on in.
All right, guys. We just got our dinner here, and we are in the Finnish cookhouse. I think it's called Kota Grill. Very traditional. So our host started the charcoal here. It's already getting a little bit hot, and let me see what we actually got here. They prepared like a really cute picnic basket for us.
I love that picnic basket.
It's
so
really
cute.
cool, right? And so they give us two options, either beef or chicken, and we decided to go with beef. And he said that they're getting their meats always from like a local butcher, and oh my goodness, they look amazing. I don't know, I'm gonna come over here, everything is covering, look at that. So it's like with a beef skewer with like bell pepper seasoning. I cannot wait to put that on the barbecue.
Oh,
here.
I'm so excited for dinner. It's gonna be
So
amazing.
good. And what else do we have here? We got some vegetables, something healthy. It looks like broccoli and some carrots and stuff. Sweet potatoes here apparently. They're hot as well. I don't know what is that.
And garlic bread.
Oh, that's a garlic bread? Oh,
Yes.
excited for that as well. And obviously some good wine. Like
Yes.
Italian red wine.
It's gonna go perfect with the beef skewers.
Alright, so I'm gonna set this up here now and
I think it's
start
time to
barbecuing.
cook. I'm hungry.
Same. And, yeah.
Let's do it.
Cheers. Alright, let's get that meat on the barbecue here. It's getting pretty hot here. Well, actually, nothing compared to yesterday. Guys, like, I kid you not.
We were like in a sauna.
was
Yesterday
like
was
in a
so
sauna. I mean,
hot.
It's a Finnish cookhouse. It's not a sauna.
I know, but it felt like we were in a sauna.
Oh, man.
Oh, that's sizzling.
It smells amazing.
Those look amazing.
They're huge. Oh my god.
That's a lot of
That's like-
meat, actually. It's a very
4
generous
pieces.
dinner.
Oh my god.
We're gonna be eating all night.
100%. Oh, we also have s'mores. So,
Yeah, we gotta make sure we have enough room for s'mores.
100%. So, I want to closer here to see what they actually look like.
Oh my god.
That's such a cool idea. You can actually like move it around, like a little bit off the fire to control the heat.
Okay, that looks so good.
Wait a second. Can you hear that?
I'm so excited for these.
Yeah.
Such a unique experience. This must be one of our the best Airbnbs we've ever stayed at. It's such, at least in Ontario, it is such a
100%,
perfect city getaway. And it's only 1 hour away from downtown Toronto.
Yeah.
You don't even have to drive too far.
Yeah. And the owners, they're so friendly. Like,
So nice
chatty.
and so cute.
Ah.
They've been doing this for quite a while. They used to have just a bed and breakfast before they got on Airbnb, and now they have a few of these little cottages on their property, and their property is so cute.
So cute, so gorgeous, and big. I mean, We are like,
Huge.
I think it's like a 5-minute walk to the main house, and it feels like it feels like we are like alone here. Like, it's just honestly the perfect city getaway, and yeah, we're gonna link the link to the I'm gonna link the link.
Airbnb.
Of course, yeah, to the Airbnb in the description below, so you can check it out yourselves. But like, I can
Highly recommend it.
100%.
Yeah. That was so delicious. If you guys end up staying here, we highly recommend doing their dinner experience in the Finnish Cookhouse because it is absolutely amazing. I am so full right now and so happy. We're going to build a fire, and I think we're gonna have some s'mores a little bit later. Not right now because I'm very full, but I'm very excited for s'mores too. You gotta leave space for dessert, always. Alright guys, so we're gonna head home now. This is the end of the video. We had an amazing stay here at the Victorian cottage in Clarington. We're gonna link the cottage down below. Highly recommend checking this out. It was such a unique experience. The dinner yesterday was absolutely amazing. I'm obsessed, I think, with the Finnish Cookhouse. That's definitely my favorite part of the property. So yeah, we're gonna head home now, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and comment below any cool recommendations you guys have for Airbnbs or cottages in Ontario, and we'd love to check them out. Bye guys!